In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Hyperx headset to Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly connect a Hyperx headset that you have to your Xbox console, regardless of the specific console model that you have. Now, something that I need to make very clear is that not all HyperX headsets are going to be compatible with the Xbox. As it stands today, some models will simply refuse to work because they are not licensed. The best example that I can give is going to be the Cloud 3 Wireless. The Cloud 3 Wireless only works on PC and PlayStation officially. You will not be able to use those on an Xbox console. This is something that is listed on the support specifications in the quick start guide for the headset. But most models, such as the Cloud 3 wired, will work natively, and all that you have to do is plug it into the available USB port. So most modern headsets from HyperX are going to be connected through the USB port like I mentioned. So all that you have to do is plug it into any available USB-C or USB-A ports. You have an adapter depending on the specific model that you purchased, and they are going to help you convert it from USB-C to USB-A if needed. And as long as you connect the headset to any of the available ports on your Xbox console, you will be good to go. If it gets detected not right away, you will be able to see a pop-up on screen appear and you are ready to use. Whenever you join a game or any voice chat, you should be able to choose it as the input or output device. And like I said, if you try connecting a specific model, such as the Cloud 3 Wireless, and it doesn't work, it doesn't appear on other devices, it could mean that it's not going to work because it is not a licensed product. So it straight up isn't compatible with any Xbox console. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect HyperX headset to Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.